If I could really fly, I'd spend my days in the blue sky. But when I'm standing here, I will live under the sun. All the sadness that I keep inside of my soul, and all the pain that I had, really can't stand them no more. I really need to discover a whole new world and leave all these things just behind me. But when I dream, I'm feeling free under blue sky. Here's what I see, so I will open up my wings and start to fly. If I could really fly, I'd spend my days in the blue sky. But when I'm standing here, I will live under the sun. So I keep trying hard until I get what I dreamed of, and I will never stop. I will live in that blue sky. I will live in that blue sky. I will live in that blue sky.